for 10 years you are growing this team from when it started to now.
So I was amazed by the efforts you made so far.
I was really surprised that 90% of everything that we use on a daily basis is brought to the Netherlands overseas.
8.5 million cars do have the same emissions as the biggest 16 vessels of the world. So yeah, that's quite striking.
And they're joined together like one family for a sustainable project, and it's very nice to see.
Because yes, we are part of the problem, but we also must be part of the solution. I'm truly so proud to present to you the 2020 TU Delft Solar Boat.
And this is the boat with whom we are going to inspire change.
We are the TU Delft Solar Boat team, and we shape the engineers for a sustainable future.
Mankind has rapidly developed new innovations. Together, we can make real change happen. The TU Delft Solar Boat team wants to show there is another way. The technology is within reach. We just have to be brave enough to explore it.
We're now going to take a picture to remember this lovely day, because things are constantly changing and we are part of this change, just like you are part of this change just by being here.
Because only together we can make real change happen.